Hi friends, today we deal with an important topic. What are the important steps involved in an investment decision or the process of investment decision? The investment process involves a series of activities leading to purchase, holding and selling of securities. Here we discussed about what are the stages or steps involved in an investment decision. What is the first stage? Framing investment policy. What do you mean by investment policy? That means formulate the investment policy for systematic functioning of an investment. The essential ingredients of the policies are investable funds, objectives, and knowledge about the investment alternatives and markets. What do you mean by investable funds? That means the amount of investment. The amount of an investment depends upon the investor's income or net worth of an individual. Then, objectives of the investment. What do you mean by objectives? The objective may be different from one investor to another investor. For example, tax saving or fixed return or capital appreciation, that is different from one investor to another investor. That means fix your objective. The third ingredients of the investment policy are knowledge about the investment alternatives and markets. The knowledge about the investment alternatives and the market conditions play a key role in the policy formulation. These are the main ingredients. What are the ingredients? Investment funds, objectives of the investment, and knowledge about the investment alternatives and markets. Then second stage, investment analysis or security analysis. What do you mean by security analysis or investment analysis? It can be defined as a systematic examination and evaluation of various factors affecting the value of a security. In short, it includes the entire process of return and risk of an individual securities. This can be possible with the help of fundamental and technical analysis. This is the second stage, investment analysis or security analysis. Then the third stage is valuation of security or investment. What do you mean by valuation of security? That means calculating the intrinsic value or the exact value of the investment or security. Then we take the investment decision whether to buy, sell or hold the security. Suppose if the intrinsic value is greater than the current market price, that means buy signal. If the intrinsic value is less than the current market price, that is sell signal. Intrinsic value is equal to the current market price, that means hold the security. This is the investment decision. The next is construction of portfolio. After valuation of security or investment, the next step is construction of portfolio. What do you mean by portfolio? Portfolio is the combination of security or the group of security that gives the maximum return and minimum risk. Markowitz diversification strategy is applied for selecting the optimum portfolio that gives the maximum return and minimum risk. The next stage is portfolio evaluation or appraisal. What do you mean by portfolio evaluation? Portfolio evaluation is a systematic and scientific process of assessing the portfolio performance. That means actually it is a comparison stage, comparison between actual return and expected return. That is the portfolio evaluation. The last stage of investment appraisal or investment stage is portfolio revision. What do you mean by portfolio revision? Portfolio revision, that revision depend upon the result of the performance appraisal. The low yield securities with high risk are replaced with high yield securities with low risk. That is a portfolio revision. These are the important steps involved in investment analysis. Thank you.